Hello guys, welcome to my channel. So if you're receiving this error, ProxifierDrv is not running. To fix it, you can run these commands. So type in cmd in Windows search box and then make a right click on command prompt app. Make sure that you run this as an administrator only and then click on yes to allow and then copy all these commands one by one. All the commands are provided in the video description. Paste it, hit the enter key. So here you can see right now the state is stopped, so the driver is not running. So to now you run the second command and over here change service config success. Now run the last command. This will start the driver. Now hit the enter key and here you can see state running. Now the driver is running. So now restart your computer and you should not receive that prompt anymore. Now if you're not using, like if you don't want to use this Proxifier, if you have this app installed on your computer, you can make a right click, then click on uninstall. If you don't need it, you can uninstall this Proxifier application from your computer. So over here you can see this application. If you don't need it, you can uninstall it, and once you uninstall it, then after the uninstall you can restart your computer. Yeah, once done, let the uninstall complete and then restart your computer and you should not receive that prompt anymore. So that'll be all. Thank you so much for your time and please like this video and subscribe to my channel.